The former Great Northern, now BNSF, line over Marias Pass is the northernmost and lowest crossing of the Rocky Mountains in the continental United States. Much of this spectacular line along the middle fork of the Flathead River and Bear Creek is alongside the southern boundary of Glacier National Park. And BNSF's line over Marias Pass hums with activity, as this is their main line between Chicago and Seattle and Portland. Amtrak's Empire Builder makes an appearance also. Marias Pass has pushers, both manned and radio-controlled, steep grades, snow sheds, high bridges, and tunnels, all nestled in the awe-inspiring scenery of the Rocky Mountains adjacent to Glacier National Park. This program shows over 24 hours of action between Conkelley, where the two main tracks out of Whitefish become single track, and Browning, 26 miles east of the summit of Marias Pass, where the plains abruptly meet the mountains in September of 2010.